Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to study making a bill. This is another part of our chapter money. What is a bill? A bill is a written statement showing the money that we owe to someone for goods or services that we receive at the time we buy anything from a shop. That means when we go to market to purchase some items, then shopkeeper gave us a slip. In that slip our thing is mentioned like this. That means name of that shop, then serial numbers, items, which are the items, then number of items, that is quantity, then rate, what is the cost of each item, or 1 kg of each cost of 1 kg, like that. Then amount, then what is the amount, then at last you find the total amount. These all are mentioned in that slip. That slip is known as what? Bill. Okay. When I go to the market, I have purchased some items. So here I am going to show you. The first one is one noodles packet, okay, which I have purchased, and the cost of this noodles packet is, here you listen, here is one RS and 58 and dot 00 is there. Okay, you can see the symbol of rupees, otherwise RS. Here is RS and its amount. So rupees 58 is the price of this noodles. I will write the quantity, means how many items I have purchased. I have purchased one item. So I will write 1 under the quantity, 1 noodle. So I will write here 1. Then, and its amount, what is the rate of this one quantity? That is rupees 58. So here you write rupees 58. Okay. And under the cost, here you write cost or rate. Here you write 58 and 0.00. That means this dot represent then I have purchased some biscuits. That means 3 packets of biscuits. Then what is the cost of each packet? Here MRP. In that packet there is one letter MRP and 1 rupee symbol is there. Then 30.00. This is the cost of this packet of biscuit. That means rupees 30. Cost of each packet of this big biscuit is 30. This type of how many packets are there? 3. So in quantity, here under quantity, here you write 3 packets of biscuits. Then rate per item, that means cost of each item is rupees 30. Then 00, that means 30 rupees. Then I have purchased 2 packets of chili powder. 2 packets of chili powder. Then cost of each packet of this chili powder is here. Here you listen. 1 RS and 26.00. So what is the cost of this 1 packet of chili powder? Rupees 26. This type of how many packets? 2 packets. So in quantity, here you write 2. Then what is the cost of each packet? rupees 26. Then I have purchased 2 soaps, 2 Dettol soaps. Then cost of one soap. Here is a rupees, RS is there, 1 dot, then 40.00. That means cost of each soap is 40 rupees. This type of how many soaps? Is 2. So in quantity, here you write 2, then cost of each soap is 40 rupees. Okay. Then what is our next step? Next step is find the amount of these items. How will you find this amount? Here 1 packet of noodles are there. Noodles packet is there. So 1 into 58. So what is the amount here? Rupees 58. Then our next item. How many packets of biscuits are there? 3 packets. Each cost 30 rupees. So what is the total amount? 30 into 3. 30, there is no paisa is there. So you just multiply 30 into 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 threes are 9. So what is the amount of that biscuits? Rupees 90. Then which is our third item? Chili powder. Each cost rupees 26. Then what is the cost of 2 packets? Yes, you multiply these two numbers. 26 into 2. That is 26 into 2. 6 2s are 12. Carry 1 over here. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So what is the cost here? Rupees 52. Rupees 52. Then our last item, soap. Each cost 40 rupees. This type of, how many number of soaps? 2. So you multiply these two items. 40 into 2. What is 40 into 2? 40 into 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 fours are 8. So in amount, here you write 80. Okay. Then what is our last step? Last step, you add that given amount. That is the total amount. Here all zeros are there. So 0, 0. 0 paise. Then you add the rupees part. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 0. Carry 1 over here. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 8. 20 plus 8 is 28. So, what is the total amount? Total amount is 280. Okay. So, total amount which I need to pay the shopkeeper is rupees 280. This is all about the bill. Okay. Here we can see an example of bill. As you can see, this is the name of that shop and here is date of the day. Okay. Then which are the items mentioned here? In this bill, everything is mentioned there. That is, serial number is there, description, that means items, name of each items, then quantity, rate or cost of each items, then here is the total amount. At last, here is one total amount also there. So, This is an example of bill. In your textbook, page number 160, exercise 12.3. Hari went to Bear Stationery Shop. He purchased 2 notebooks costing rupees 10 each, 1 pencil costing rupees 5 and 1 pen costing rupees 8. Prepare a bill. These are the items. Which are the items? 2 notebooks, then 1 pencil, 1 pen. These are the items, and you prepare one bill. Which are the parts of a bill? First, in first row, there is bill. Here you write bill, and there is right side of that bill you write date. Okay. Then you write that stationery is that shop's name. Second column you write that shop's name. Then you write one bill number. Any number you can write here. That means bill number. Any number you put bill number. Then in first column here serial number. That is 1, 2, 3, etc. Next one, which are the items. Second column, that is for quantity. Third one, cost. Last column, that is for amount. Then which is our first item? Notebook. Number of notebooks 2. Then what is the cost of each notebook? Cost of each notebook is rupees 10. So what is the cost of 2 notebooks? Each notebook cost 10 rupees. And what is the cost of 2 notebooks? 2 into 10. What is 2 into 10? 2 into 10 is 20. So here you write that 20. There is no paise. So you simply put 2 zeros, otherwise also it is no problem. Then your second item, that is pencil. How many number of pencils? 1 pencil. Then what is the cost of each pencil? 5 rupees. Here is only one item. So what is the amount here? 5 into 1 is 5. Here also no decimal part, no paise. So you just write that. Or simply you write 5, that also correct. Then third item, that is pen. How many number of pens? It's only 1 pen. Then what is the cost of each pen? Cost of each pen is rupees 8. So what is the amount here? 1 into 8 is equal to 8. 8, or simply you put 2 zeros. Otherwise also it is correct. Then what is our next step? What is the total amount? You add these 3 items. You just add these 3 items. Here 0, 0. There is no paise. Then 0 plus 5. These all are the ones place number. This is for addition of rupees and paise. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. And carry 1 over here. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then there is no other number. So what is the total cost, total amount? Yes, total amount is rupees 33. This is another to prepare one bill. Okay. Your second question. Piyush goes to a Mother Dairy Milk booth. He purchased milk for rupees 99 and 75 paise, curd for rupees 50 and 50 paise, cheese for rupees 200 and an ice cream for rupees 350 and 25 paise. He gives rupees 700 to the shopkeeper. How much more amount he need to pay to the shopkeeper? Here, which are the items? First item is milk. That is the amount rupees 99 and 75 paise. Then curd for rupees 50 and 50 paise. Then what is the cost of cheese? Rupees 200. Then cost of ice cream is 350 rupees and 25 paise. Then first you bill. Here in first column write bill, then right side of that bill you write date. Then the second column name of that shop. Here given that Mother Dairy Milk Book, that is the name of that shop. Here the second column you write that name. Then you simply write any number, that is bill number. Any number here 9471 or 5000, any number can be here, that is bill number. Then your next column, that is serial number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. which are the item, our number of items. Serial number. Second one is name of the item, second column. Third column quantity, how many number of items, that is quantity. Then next column cost of each item, then amount. Okay, these are the different columns for one bill. Then here first item is milk, then quantity only one. Cost of that milk is rupees 99 and 75 paise. Here is only one item, so you multiply these two numbers, the same number. So what is the amount here? Rupees 99 and 75 paise. Why? Here is only one item, so you simply write that cost. Then which is our second item? 4. Then how many number? Only one item. Then what is the cost of each item? Rupees 50 and 50 paise. So here you write rupees 50 and 50 paise. That means when you multiply any number and 1, that answer is the number itself. So which is our third item? Third item, cheese. What is the cost of each cheese? Rupees 200. Then what is the amount? Here also only one item, so rupees 200. Then 0 paise. In paise part there is no number, so 0, 0. Then which is our last item? That is ice cream. What is the cost of that ice cream? Rupees 350 and 25 paise. Here also only one item, so you write here rupees 350 and 25 paise. Then what is our next step? Find the total of this all amount. To find the total, add the given amount. 5 plus 0, 5. Again 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry 1 over here. Then 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 0, 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. So 5 is here and 1 carry over here. So you put one dot here. This is the paise part. Then in rupees part, 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 0, 10. Again 10 plus 0, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 0, carry 1 over here. Then 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 0, 15. Again 15 plus 5 is 20. Carry 2 over here. Then 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So what is the total amount? Total amount is 700 rupees and 50 paise. Okay. Here what is the total amount? Total amount rupees 750 paise. Then money given to the shopkeeper. In your question, if he gives rupees 700 to the shopkeeper, how much more amount he need to pay to the shopkeeper? That is your question. That means money given to the shopkeeper. How much money given to the shopkeeper? Rupees 700. then more money he needs to pay. How much more money? Here what is the total amount? 700 rupees and 50 paise. So how much more money he has to pay? Yes, only 50 paise. 50 paise. He has to pay. How much amount? He has to pay rupees 50 paise more.